One students here to discuss about computer-aided process planning, variant process or generative process. In the variant process, a link between design and manufacturing the design. So we have to verify the variant approaches, all the data, all the information stored in a one memory. For example, you make a part drawing, we need some dimensions, radius, clearance, fit, tolerance, all the data should be kept in one file. So you need to draw a 30 to 30 square, you make a dimension or make a drawing, collect from the standard process file. It is easily accessible one. At the same time, all the process manuals or all the process basic plans should kept in one file. You make an slotting, you make an thread cutting. First you may face on the centering, chamfering, facing, turning, next one thread cutting. So all the operations kept in serial order, you may store in a one process file. So you make your own process planning. First existing method or innovative method, you prepare a drawing, that means part drawing. The part drawing is a very essential one to make a part. So any one operator or any one person to know about the drawing only, it is easily finished for the part. Without any knowledge about the part, without any usage of the part, but the knowledge among the drawing, it is easily the operator to make a process based on the operations. Next, all the drawings, all the methods you collect from the standard storage file, you may make your own process. That process plan to execute the industry or it is safety or it is available or not available, it is fit or not. So all the data should be discussed inside the industry yard. So the process plan should be accepted or rejected. The accepted means all the data is kept in the same manner. Otherwise, the process planning is not fixed or not cooperate with the process or design. You may make another one process starting from part drawing. So you may take some long time. As a manual process, you may take some long time. But in case of computer-aided process planning, the part making or design process or process planning is a very less time. In the type of process planning variant approach, we have to use for the group technology concept. The group technology concept is a very important role in the manufacturing sectors. So the industries are divided into two categories. One is process layout, another one is product layout. The industry layout is based on the process that is called process layout. The industry based on the only product, based on the product only the machines are arranged. You may make a only thread cutting. You may need only for lathes. Lathes are first preferred. Next you may create a milling. Lathe and milling is adjustable manner. It's a right to close. So in that way, so again one the industry to make another one part, the industry layout should be changed. It is very difficult one, it is very high cost of the layout process. It is difficult. Another one, normal industry to make a process layout. So any one process, any one method, the part should be made inside the industry within a time without any change in the layout. That is called process layout. So in type of process layout, the material movement is major critical problem. In industry-oriented process, the material movement is 60 to 70% of the part cost to make a unit cost. So, any one industry concentrate to minimize the material transportation time, material handling, material equipment time is very less. The company or industry to earn more gain. It is strategy to make one part the industry person or entrepreneur to concentrate on the material movement. So, to reduce the material movement time or to reduce the material movement of the part, the production as well as to gain of the part should be increased. So in that way you have to create a one layout is called GT layout, that means group technology layout. What is group technology layout? So all the machines are arranged in one header family. That is called lathe. Lathes are, so in the industry contain minimum 10 lathes available in industry. The 10 lathes are arranged in lathe family, one area. Another one, 5 milling machines are available in the industry. All the 5 milling machines are arranged in one set of place under the one group, that is called milling family. So these type of family, we have to arrange the available machines. So the part should make on a lathe operations, you may go for it is particular place. You may make on a milling, the part should move with particular milling machines. So in that way, you have to minimize the transportation time in between the families. So to avoid the GT layout is to minimize the material handling time. It is a basic strategy. So in that way, in the GT layout is employed in the computer process planning method. So in that way, you have to use for some codings. GT layout part should occupy on the operation under the second operations. It is called as L0102. Next one, generative CAPP. In the case of generative CAPP, the same process for variant. So in that way, we have to create some editing process should be available in the generative CAPP. So in case of variant CAPP, we need only for collection from the storage. But in case of generative CAPP, editing operation possible. So now time we have to use for the artificial intelligence based on the generative CAPP in the basic case. In the computer-aided process planning, we have need some merits and demerits. In that way, we have to use for the process rationalization and standardization. Rationalization means whatever the process, whatever the part, whatever the dimension should be accounting. That means standardization means your part or your make product should compare with one standard part. That means you make only a 12 mm thread, 12 mm thread. But in the 12 mm thread, we need some basic pitch, basic addendum, basic addendum circles are available in the standard format. So you make a one part, the 12 mm part thread should compare with the standard 12 mm thread dimensions and specifications. In the computer process planning, arriving at standard and consistent process plans, you may occupy on the standard process, increase the productivity of process planners. In using for CAPP, computer-aided process planning, variant or generative, whatever may be, usually in the CAPP process, so increase the process planner. That means preparing the process plan is very less time. You make your own drawing. Already we have to discuss. You make your own part drawing. In manual drawing, you make a weekly or monthly. But in case of computer process planning, we need for AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Pro E, or a design softwares are available to make a part drawing is within an hour, within a day. So any one alteration of the part drawing, it is easily recovered. But in case of manual drawing, again we prepare a drawing from starting itself. But in case of design software, particularly of the location should be changed. We have to give you some commands. Okay, in any one arc or any one circle, you have to provide on the tangent lines. So it is easily provided under some basic commands only. You have to change the drawing within fraction of seconds. So in that way, you have to reduce the making a part drawing means very less time. Improved legibility and readability means that readability means it is we have to use for the system cut and paste. So cut and paste method is usually suited for the cap. Simply understanding purpose, I have to say all the data should be kept in the storage file. Only you have to copy from the storage file. You fix the process plan. It is very easily and very less time. Incorporation of the application programs also available in the CAP. So in the what is process planning? What are the methods are studied? But in the type of slates, we have to explain what is the purpose of process planning, what is the objective, what is the importance. In the process planning, find the systematic determination of the engineering process or systems. What is systematic determination? Any one process contains some sequence order. That means you make one thread cutting part. One thread cutting part should be delivered from the industry. First centering, next one pacing, third one turning, step turning or turnings. Based on the part drawing, you may make a turning operation or step turning operation. Another one you have to give a thread cutting operation. Thread cutting operation we need some calculations. M12 to engage the gears. It is follow under some process, and that is called systematic determination. First pacing, second one turning, third one is third. It is a systematic order. You make a gear. First you make a gear plumb. Next you may pacing on the gear plumb. Another one you make a indexing calculation. Another one called the milling machines. So these are the systematic steps. So systematic determination of process means systematic steps followed on the sequential order. First one, second one, third one. It is easily achieved on the correct manner with accuracy of the part. Next, identify the MAC card by decision. The MAC card by decision is a very important vital role in the manufacturing industry. So the industry, any one industry or any one entrepreneur, goal is to gain more without any compromise of the quality. Quality is very high. At the same time, to earn more amount or to earn more profit. It is a strategy of the industry. Any one industry, you may target for the profit without any compromise of the quality. So the MAC or by decision to improve the product of the profit. MAC decision means, for example, one make a gear wheel industry to purchase a raw material. Raw material is say for cast iron, gear prong is a raw material. Just one example, gear prong, cast iron is a raw material. You may purchase on the one gear prong cast iron raw material is say for 200 rupees outside purchase from marketing also. But in the industrial person, I end up on a thing. Why the casting of the cast prong to make in our industry? So all the machines, all the available source resources, men, machine, material resources are available in our industry. So why you cannot manufacture the casting of the gear prong? So next we go for the gear prong preparation. So in our industry, within industry, you may purchase from the scrap material outside. You make a molding and to prepare a casting of the gear prong. That expenditure, purchasing of the raw material, purchase from the scrap material and casting process and molding process with some electric charge and machines. All the data is contained with the cost estimation is 120 rupees. So in the industry, gain 80 rupees from each block. So the industrial person or entrepreneur select the make decision. In make decision, which one is applicable? That is all the resources available in our industry to make a gear plant, to make a gear, the company itself to provide castings and molding. So this easily make for the gear plant. But at the same time, by decision is you make on the gear plant within the industry that profit, electric charge and labor and so many, all the data to calculate the cost of the one product, 220 rupees. So the industrial person withdraw the make process. So it is easily purchased from the outside market with the low rate of 200 rupees. It is fit for the profit. So the make or buy decision to justify for the whether the raw material should make within the industry or purchased from the market. It is a strategy. It is a strategy. Anyone industry fail on the strategy of make or buy decision if it is a loss of the all product. So it is a basic concept. So the selection of make or buy decision is a vital role in the production units. Next, we have to make a smooth level of production. Smooth level of production means we have to create some industry with proper positions. Predict the quantity of production, effective use of facilities. Quantity of production, predict quantity of production. You may use for the CAPP, increase the mass production. You may make a mass production means one day you make a manually process, make 50 process. In case of computer process planning, more than 100 or more than 150 to be achieved. Reduce the manufacturing cost of the production. So manufacturing cost of the production reduce means ultimate gain is to reduce the material movement cost. Generally, you have to reduce the manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost reduce 60 to 70% content on the material movement cost. So these are the purpose or objective or important. So process, in the selection of process planning is a main part in the manufacturing industry. You may select a correct process planning or exact process planning. You may achieve for the exact product and you may create a demand in the market also. You may failure in the process planning, your entire production should be spoiled. That is called the importance of the process planning. The information of the process planning. What are the informations needed for the process planning? Product data, volume of production, quality requirements, equipment, personnel available, time available to perform the work, delivery date. That means product data means already you have to discuss what are the product data needed. It is a design concept. So first you may find out the solution, need of the problem. First you may find out the problem, which part should be made or which part should be altered in the existing unit. So it is a very major role. So first based on the problem, find out the problem, what are the data needed. You may give a dimension or circle or length or tolerance or surface. So which data should be concentrated? That is called product data. Volume of production means how many of the production to be delivered and to be produced in industry per day or per shift. The quantity is a major role. Next, quality requirements. What are the qualities needed? Anyone part available in the market level, we have to again the quality is very improved. So the next part should be taught for the existing part only on the quality requirements only. So the industry concentrate to the quality requirements. What does equipments and personnel available means? Already we have to discuss the GT layout. GT layout means all the machines are arranged in the industry. Simply say for all special machines are arranged in our industry. That is called GT layout. Under the name of one header, under the name of one header in one area. It is a very important thing. Okay, layers are arranged in one particular area and nearby milling, nearby grinding. So these are the arranged in the layout with the willingness, pre-willingness of the industrial persons. So personnel available. So which type of machines are available? Which number of machines? So you may, based on your product is based on the lathe family, only containing a 2 lathe do not meet up to the production. So on that stage we have to contain more number of lathes. So 25 lathes or 50 lathes or 30 lathes or 10 lathes. You may concentrate on the meet up the production. So these are the one personal data. Time available to perform the work. Time available means you may, it is a very important one. So first of all, you may fix for the time. So to make a 20 mm tanning operation, to remove the metal removal that is 2 mm. So you may take some 4 minutes. That is called machining time. 4 minutes only the 2 mm material to be removed from 20 mm length. It is, say for example, what way you have to find out for the 4 minutes. So these are the previous experience. More skilled labor, you have to work with exactly. So based on the study of the skilled labor experience, so 20 mm tanning operation, 2 mm metal removal is only 4 minutes. So our machine time allotted for 4 minutes. So within a 4 minutes, 20 mm length the material is removed within 4 minutes. It is a time available. Next, delivery date. Delivery date is a very, very important for the production unit. So the delivery dispatch time is 2 categories. Another one is advanced delivery lateness, tardiness and lateness. Tardiness means the part should deliver with advance. The part should deliver in 31st. By end of the month only 100 units of the product should be delivered. It is a agreement. But in our industry, we have to produce 100 tons of the product delivered in before 31st. That means 25, 26, 27 days. The 100 units of the part should deliver. It is a tardiness. So before 3 days only you may deliver the part. You may easily collect from the money source. Otherwise you go for the next attainment, next contract, next domains. So tardiness, that is called. Lateness means the part should contain within a month end of 31st. We do not meet out the delivery. So go for the next month, 4th or 5th. So the production cost should be increased among the particular family of the production. Okay, 100 units of the production. So you may gain for another 4 days. You may need some labor cost, material cost, machine cost, some maintenance cost. All the costs should accommodate with productions. So these cost accommodation, the profit should fully spoil. No profit. So to avoid these loss, we may concentrate to exact delivery date or tardiness. So anyone interested person willing to deliver tardiness. So otherwise it is exact that only delivered, not preferred for the tardiness, lateness. Lateness means in the type of system we collapse, should be collapsed. So these are the factors for process planning. Okay, next class we have to discuss about the process planning selection. So all the data should be covered.